Maganda kasi ang ginagawa nila ng Jane and Jeff and Sienna. You know, we look out for yung mga artists na gano'n na andyan lang. So we offer them you know, the best of contracts. Kahit na lang per project basis. Ganun na ngayon eh. I think the artistic talents, you know, dapat wala nang bakod eh. They should be able to go to, you know, GMA,
Okay, next question.
Next question.
TV5.
Okay, let's ask Lea Saperio for her next question. Lea.
Tinawaran ako ni Patti.
Hi, good afternoon, Mr. Lea.
Afternoon.
You're known for your creative mentoring style. How do you expect that to, what challenge do you see in bringing that mentoring style now to TV5?
Well, yun ang challenge is to do here what we did in ABS, my team. Sa ABS, it took a while. You know what? So, umpisa, hindi namin talaga alam kung anong ginagawa namin. So, we were just winging it sa umpisa. People like si Lab Almasan. We had huge crowds outside the walls of ABS. They are wanting to audition. And yung gate na, magigiba na eh. That's one of the lessons we learned. Have a stronger gate. And a stronger system. So, unti-unti, you gather knowledge. And like I said earlier, Mr. MVP and I, you know, we have aged, but I think we were a little smarter. So maybe less mistakes now will happen. Yeah.
All right, thank you, Mr. Can I ask Jeff? Sorry.
Go ahead, Jeff.
Hi, Jeff. Sorry. How do you, now that Mr. M is in the house, I mean, how do you expect his mentoring style to blend into your MQAA artist agency, MQAA's
Okay. Well, everybody knows Mr. M.
Yes.
And when we found out that just the idea and the thought that Mr. M will be joining us, it was such great news and such a delight. Mr. M actually. Of course. But you know, it's like a reunion of sorts. I mean,
Yes.
we spent so many years together.
Kasama kami niyan.
Yes.
We've traveled the world, Mr. M, for so many years.
Si Jeff kasi ang nagdadala sa amin sa abroad.
TFC.
When I was with TFC.
TFC.
So you know, it was such a great blessing to hear that Mr. M will be joining us, and I believe that Mr. M's you know, the very essence of Mr. M in star building, star making is something that could definitely not just bring us to a different level, but really to greater heights, to the highest level. So this is what we've been wanting to do, and I think we can do it with Mr. M.
All right. For both of you, will you audition talents now that Mr. M is here?
Actually, magkasama kami.
Yes.
Yeah, I think we work together as a team. Always the process began even way before we were talking. Si Abby. Yeah. We have our scouts. going on and scouting.
So continuous.
Continues yun eh. So talagang tuloy-tuloy. We have Abby, Alba, and the team for recruitment. And we do invite people to come. So we do go-sees, Sir M and I take a look at them, and then so there's a process in place already.
Sila Abby, si Alba, pupunta sa mga saan sa mga mall. Sa
Scouting.
Oo.
Yes.
Tapos hinaharap nila yung mga
Thank you.
yung mga
Thank
may
you.
dalang mga bit-bit na mga young people. So,
Baka may mga gusto mag-try, mag-artista, Mr. M, mag-apply na kay Abby. Okay, mamaya. Alright, our next question will come from Kapatid Insider, Carl Jude.
Hello, Mr. M. Hello, I'm Carl Jude from Kapatid Insider. First of all, congratulations and welcome to TV5.
thank you.
For first question, ano pa yung deciding factor sa desisyon yung lumipat sa TV5 through MPOS?
Yung nga katulad sinabi ko kanina, ang gaan ng katrabaho ko, mga katrabaho. That's a really huge factor. Like I said, ang hirap magtrabaho kapag maraming sungit. Sungit sa tapos pati, tawa ng tawa yan eh, kaya
Tawanan lang ang buhay.
Oo. Sarap kasama yan.
Thank you, Mr. M. Okay, we have another question. Is that okay already? You have a follow-up? Okay, sige, go ahead.
For the second question po, can we expect major changes in MQuest, particularly sa MQAA sa pagpasok nyo?
Konting fiddling around with the machine. So yung mga natutunan namin sa ibang station, over the years, yun sana ang gagawin dito. Like I said, less mistakes. Kasi knowledge na eh. So hopefully we can fiddle around with the machine and make it more competitive. Sabi ko, more in your face.
Okay na yun, Carl.
Okay na po. Thank you and welcome to TV5 ulit, Mr. M.
Thank you.
Si Carl Jr. And our next question will come from Glenn Sibonga ng Showbiz Bonga. Saan si Glenn?
Mr. M.
Ayun.
Mr. M, syempre sa dami na ng inikot mong talent centers and productions, how confident are you na magiging successful din yung paghawak mo dito sa Empress at saka sa Star Wars?
Ang laki ng ko kumpiyansa ko dito eh. I believe that, as I said, less mistakes. I-apply namin yung natutunan namin. And with Jeff, so easy to work with. Brilliant things. That's the word for it in the future for TV5 and plus. Yung pangalan nga na Quest, parang hirap eh. Hirap sabihin na. So, yun ang balak namin. To rebrand it, make it younger, less corporate. Sabi ko na Star Wars. So, sana matuloy yung Star Wars. Star Wars. X, Star Wars. And yun ang ko, the name says it all. You work and work and work, you be a star.
Mr. M, kumbaga, itong nagkaroon ka na ba ng time na kausapin yung mga TV5 artists? Sino yung nakikitaan mo talaga ng malaking potential?
Ito yung mga yun na nandito. I think potential is there. You believe it? Yeah. I'll tell you, it's the truth. You guys are here now because you're the guys. Lilipat lang kayo. Yeah. Sunscreen na yan. Sabi, anong costume ko? Paglipat. Very sweet girl. Riley, dito ka dapat eh. Diba?
Mahabol.
Si Riley, sa kabila. Isa mo naman mas gusto.
Mr. M, sinundan kita sa lahat ng stasyon.
Wow! Oh, tama yun. Doon sa isang stasyon, sa GMA,
Okay, next question. We have the last question.
Yes, from Edwin Saliano, Business Mirror.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. M. Given the emergence and popularity of streaming apps in recent years, do you have any specific plans for TV5's streaming platforms, or would you consider exploring partnerships or joint ventures with popular streaming apps like Netflix or Prime Video?
Yeah, I think meron na ganun. Baka si Jeff makakasagot na official.
But currently, we do have our own streaming platforms. We have Signal Play, which is the companion app of our Signal DTH business. So Signal Play is the entertainment app for the crew, and we also have Pilipinas Live, which is our sports app. So I think those are two streaming apps that we can actually capitalize on as far as creating stars and creating content for a new breed of stars that we will develop and discover. Now, dealing with the other mainstream apps is something that we've done in the past, or we do still do. We've created content and then sold content to Prime Video. We're still in partnership with Netflix and some more content. So I think that's an ongoing thing, and we will just continue to do that.
So we can expect more streaming
Streaming
content.
We've started with our micro dramas. I think we're the biggest producer of micro dramas or vertical dramas in the country today, and that is on our Signal Play platform. So we do that. We actually do drop one title every 2 weeks, and that's something that's not done anywhere else in the Philippines. So we are the biggest, and then it has served as the platform to discover, to train our new talents. I mean, most of these guys already have their own micro drama. Thank you.
Galing sumagot.
Microdrama.
Talagang last na raw. Miss Janice Navida. Last but not the least.
Yun, naka-lady in red dress si
Yes.
Janice.
Hi, Mr. M. We're happy to see you here after leaving a legacy in ABS-CBN. Nagmamadali na po kaya two short questions na lang po. First, you mentioned kanina na nalipat po kayo sa TV5 because ayaw niyo po na may masungit na katrabaho. So, may nakatrabaho po ba kayong masungit? And yung second question po, since kanina sinabi rin po ni Piolo Pascual na we will support you, can we expect na maging kapatid na rin po sina Piolo Pascual and the rest of your anak-anakan sa ABS-CBN?
Mr. M, yung second question lang po.
Pero, mamaya sabihin sa'yo.
Umulong
na lang ako. Pero second question na lang.
Second question. Oo. Sabi ko nga, marami kami na pinapaandar dito, pinapakulo. And maybe it's not the right time to reveal them. But people like Piolo, yan si Andrea Brillantes, ano nga eh, medyo kinakabahan nga yung isang stasyon eh.
Alin po sa dalawa?
Kasi,
Okay, bubulong na lang ulit ni Mr. M. Siguro, Janice. Okay.
Janice, just to add, Janice, Piolo, Andrea, and Enrique, for the record, are officially kapatids because they signed the movie. Right? So they're part of our world. The world that we actually live in, right? So the universe that we live in. So they are with us.
Katulad na sinabi ko kanina, I think artists, they should be able to go anywhere. Diba?
Piolo is doing Manila's Finest, our entry to the Manila Film Festival. So that's produced by MQuest Ventures. So he is.
Tapos si Andrea, I think may pinapapalo kayo.
Gagawin din. So we just signed as a very recent one.
Saka si Ken.
Ken.
Siya pa yung one word wonder at Piolo. Ken.
Okay. And that ends our
Thank you so
press
much.
conference today with Mr. Johnny Manahat. I hope you all have a good day. Thank you very much, Mr. F. We can have a photo op with the artists of MQAA with Mr. F. Picture with Ryan, Direct Ryan, Carlos.